Good afternoon, students. Today I will explain you about the clinographic projection of gypsum. There are three: clinopinacoid, that is not 1 knot, unit prism, that is 1 knot, and hemipteral, that is 1 and the axial ratio 0.372:1:0.412, and beta angle is 180 minus beta is equal to 0.89 and cos 0.39 approximately. Now elements of symmetry, there are one plane x1 and a and unit symbol is common ortho. Okay, so this is gypsum and its symmetry. Now we will start the construction of gypsum. Axis, first C axis 1.2 both the sides, 1.2 upper and 1.2 lower side, and A axis 0.9 inch both the side. Okay. System axis, so we will draw a line A1 plus C and parallel to A3 on A, and make a parallelogram like this. Axis just like this, and this is a parallelogram.
Hi, sir, sir.
Yes.
फिर से एक बार फिर से कर दीजिए.
And for C axis both the side, A axis 0.9 both the side, and after that we will draw a line parallel to A1 axis. This is A1 axis on plus C point. So this is parallel to parallel line of, we will get parallelogram. Okay. Now join diagonal of parallelogram. So we will join diagonal of parallelogram. This is diagonal of parallelogram. And we will come, if we multiply 1.7 into 0.37, then we will get 0.6 inch. So we will cut 0.6 inch both the side. This one 0.6 inch and 0.6 monoclinic this one. So here you see minus plus A. Okay. Now after that we will join minus A minus 7 this one and plus 7. See how minus b and this is plus b. Both the side. Upside and downside. Okay. So after that, which was 1.2 inch. So we extend plus C 1 inch and minus C 1 inch both the sides and write their names plus C dash and minus C dash. This is extend 1 inch from point plus C and minus C. So this is minus C dash and plus C dash. Okay. Now mark midpoint of minus B and plus B. So we will mark midpoint of this one B and minus B. This is midpoint. So after midpoint, we will draw a parallel line to A1. This is A1 axis of monoclinic system. So we will draw a parallel line to A1 on half of this point, minus B and plus B. So let's draw a parallel line. This is parallel to A1. And this is parallel. Six intersection point. One intersection point on upper, one on middle, and one in lower. Like that, on right side, we will get 3 points also. One upper, one middle, and one lower. PQR. So these are 6 points. XYZ and PQR. Okay. Now, after that, we will draw a parallel line to A3 on these points. 3 point left side, 3 right side, and 1 on plus A1 and 1 on minus A1. Okay. So let's draw. This is parallel line to C axis or A3 axis. This is parallel line 1, parallel line 2, parallel line 3, like this. Parallel line 4, parallel line 5, and parallel line 6. So these are 6 parallel lines. Okay. And 2 more parallel lines on plus A1 and minus A1. So this is plus A1. And this is on minus A1. Okay. So these are 8 parallel lines. After that, we will join and minus C, plus C and minus C with plus B and minus B both the sides. So I am joining. This is plus B join with plus C, and this is minus B. This is minus C. Like this. Okay. So join plus C and minus C with minus C and plus B, both the sides. Now after that, draw a line parallel to minus B and plus C. This line segment, minus B plus C. So we will draw a line parallel to this line segment on plus C dash. Okay, plus C dash. Like that, we will draw minus B minus C parallel line on minus C, both the sides. So here you can see this is plus C. This line is parallel to minus B plus C, and this line is parallel to plus C minus B. Like that, we will draw on lower side like this. This line is parallel to this line, minus B plus C, and this line is parallel to plus C plus B. Like that, minus C plus B, this line is parallel, and minus B minus C parallel. Okay. Now after this, join point plus A1 with plus C. This is plus A1 and this is plus C. So I am joining this is okay, plus A1 with plus C. Now after that, we will draw, after this, after joining plus A1 with plus C, this line, we will draw a parallel line to this. Which one? Plus A1 and C line. This parallel line on minus C plus and plus C dash. Sorry, minus C dash and plus C dash. Okay, like this we will draw. This is parallel to this one. So this is parallel one on plus C dash, and this is parallel second on minus C dash. Okay, I am repeating. Join plus A1 with plus C and draw a line parallel to this line segment, that is plus A1 and plus C on plus C dash and minus C dash, and which cuts the plus A1 line and minus A1 line on double point. Here you can see this is intersection point 1, this is intersection point 2, like this. This is intersection point 1, this is intersection point of 2. These are 4 intersection points. Okay. Now after that, mark 2 intersection point on Y vertical line. This is Y vertical line. See, this is vertical intersection point 1. This is intersection point 2. That is on Y vertical line. Clear? And 2 on Q vertical line. This is Q vertical line. So this is intersection 1 and intersection 2. Okay. Now after that, we will draw another parallel line to plus C and plus A. This is plus C and plus A. This is line segment on these 4 points, means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I'm drawing 4 parallel lines. This is one parallel. This is second parallel. This is third parallel. And this is fourth parallel. Okay. So all these line segments are parallel to each other. Okay. Now after that, join X and R line point. This is X, outer side X and R. Which one R? This one. This line segment, this one and this one. Okay. So we will join X and R line point with plus A line segment. Plus A, where plus A? This is plus A. Okay. This one. And Z and P line point. This is Z inner side and P outer side. This one and this one. So P and Z line point with minus A. This is minus A. Okay. Now after that we will join X vertical line segment. This is X vertical line segment with plus A1. Plus A1. Where is plus A1? This is plus A1. And this is minus A1. Okay. So we will get 1, 2, 3, and 4 intersection points. So we will join like this. Sorry. Like this. And like this. Okay. So this is outer form of gypsum. After that, we will draw front face. So for front face, we will join the line segment intersection point, which is on X. Here you can see, and plus C point, and this is R point. So we will join like that, this side and this V shape. Okay. Now just like on downward side with dotted line. This is back face. So this is our construction of gypsum. If there is any query, any confusion, you can ask me.